get free traffic to your website, and what to your blog if you want to use this method to drive traffic to your blog. Today I'm going to teach you about free solo ads and how to use free solo ads to get free traffic to your websites. This will work a lot better with a capture page. This traffic will work a lot better with capture pages and to build a list. So you can also promote your blog. I'm not saying no. You could do it if you wanted to, so feel free to do that. But this is just another way to get free traffic, to get visitors to a website with free solo ads. I know probably a lot of you have tried it already before, and you probably didn't have much success with free solo ads. And maybe that's because you haven't done it right, or you didn't do it very consistently. You didn't stick with it, but it does work. There's a reason why there are still a lot of free solo ads out there, and that is because they work, but you need to do them the right way. So I'm going to teach you how to do it very quickly. What I'm about to share with you is very, very simple. I'm going to make this video very short. There's not much to talk about. I'm just going to show you exactly how I do it myself. My goal with what I share is to show you exactly how it's done. That's the best way to teach you, and I know that that's what you want to see. I have talked to many people, and they always tell me they would like somebody to show them over the shoulder and tell them exactly what to do. So this is the best way for me to do it for you, and for you to have it as a reference every time you work. So this is why I'm recording a video instead of hand holding every single people that follows me. And it will take me a long time. It will drive me crazy if I coach everybody in my teams and that follows me. I like to teach. I like to give a lot to people, and sometimes I get stuck teaching to someone, one-on-one. I don't know. I just need to work on automation. I'm being too nice to people. So anyways, this is how you do it. You need to, like I said before in many videos before, you need to get organized with everything that you need to have for your online business. All right, as you can see, I have everything organized on my browser. I have everything separated in categories, sections, and everything that I need. Every time I work online, it's organized. It's ready for me to just click and do. You want to be as productive as possible, so this is what I have created for myself. Now you don't have to do exactly the same thing, but I highly recommend you to do it. Alright, so as you can see over here, I have free solo ads, and let me show you how many links I have. Alright, I have so many links right here. These are all of the free solo ads I use every week, or once a week, because since they are free, they are going to allow you to send emails every certain time. All right, and if you want to send an email on a daily basis, or maybe every 2 days, you will have to upgrade. And hey, it's not a bad idea to upgrade in the free solo ad sites, because they really do help you if you do them in bulk. All right, if you do them in a lot of numbers. What I'm trying to say here, free solo ads will work very good if you do a lot of them, if you do it as much as you can. So this is why I have organized myself. I put every link in one folder in my Firefox browser. And every week, whenever I want to get free traffic or free visitors to any website, I want to get some have a new offer, or I just want to build up my list, I just come here and go to each one of them and log in, send my free solo ad, and then go to the next one. All right, the way they work is by points, or credits. You get credits for you to mail their membership database. At the beginning, when you first sign up for this free solo ad site, they will give you free credits. All right, But once you run out of credits, the way to get the credits is by opening emails. So one thing that I need you to understand right now, pay close attention. When you sign up for these free solo ads websites, when you sign up, make sure that you create a brand new email address to use for this free solo ad sites. You know, you want an email address specifically only for the free solo ads. And the reason why is because they will send you a lot of emails. You know, in order for you to use their database, and for you to email their database, you will have to receive emails as well. Now, I know a lot of people talk about, well, if a lot of people's doing the same thing and they're just getting emails and they don't really open them, that's BS. All right, people still open emails. Not everyone in this free solo ad sites are doing the same thing in bulk. In bulk. You know what I mean when I say that. You know, not everybody's doing the same thing that I'm about to teach you here. So of course you will still get clicks. You will still, plus everyone using them, they want credits, right? So in order for them to get credits, they have to click on the links that they have in the emails. So you only do it whenever you need credits, right? Once you run out of credits. So I know there's a lot of rumors of people saying that free solo ads don't work because, whenever people do it a lot, and sometimes they don't really open their emails. Come on, guys. They do. So as you can see, in this site, this free solo ad, you can see how many members they have. 4,000. That's a good number. I use this one myself. So 42,000 members. All right, so it's live members. I'm blind over here, I didn't even see that. All right, so they have 42,000 members, and right now there's 4,000 people on the page. All right, so, and as you can see, they give you free credits at the beginning, promo code new. So make sure that you get these codes. Do a little bit of research. Like I always tell people, do your own research and find these good free solo ads. All right, I'm going to share with you the same ones I use myself, but if you want to find your own, then do a research. The way I found them was by doing my research, by being referred by another of my team members or whoever I work with online. And I just did my research too. So do your research, or just use the ones that I shared with you. I'm going to leave a list with all of these links to free solo ad sites that you can use. All right, so as you can see, you get free credits, and then you can start emailing every once a week, depending on the free solo ad site. Some of them let you email every 4 to 5 days. Some of them every 7 days. But it is, if you use a lot of them at once every week, you could get a lot of results with this. All right, this is how I started building my list when I first started getting a little bit of success on the internet. After 3 years of failure, I finally started learning more, and I found this free solo ad strategy, and I started implementing what I learned, and I started getting free leads, building up my list. So now I'm teaching this to you. All right, so basically just get organized, get all of the links like this, and then once a week go through all of them. All right, and send an email. You also want to work on your copywriting skills. All right, that's another subject that I'm going to talk about in another video, or I might have a blog post about it already. So make sure you are following me, you are following my website, you are following everything that I teach you, to get the best results online. So this is basically the simple thing that I wanted to teach you about solo ads. Do it in bulk, do it as much as possible. So let me show you real quick how, behind the scenes of a solo ad site. don't forget that you need to work on your copywriting skills. You need to make sure that every email that you send is going to get you the most clicks. The way to do it, again, is by split testing. All right, so you want to split test email swipes. You want to work on your email swipes writing skills. You want to write the best emails with the best offers to make people click on your links, and to get people interested in your email and what you are offering. So, and you also want to have a very, very good capture page. So, two things that are important is your copywriting skills for your email swipe and your capture page. All right, so these are the two things that you really need to work on when you are doing this free solo ad strategy that I'm teaching you today. You need to work on your email swipe skills and on your capture page, how it looks, how much it converts. You need to work on your capture page's conversion in order to get the best results with this. All right, so you can buy credits, you can upgrade to get free credits on a monthly basis if you don't want to be opening emails to get free credits. And every time you use this, you just come here and send an email. All right, send Hive mail. Oh, okay. And all of these free solo ads will let you buy very cheap solo ads. This is the great way to build a list. All right, I'm giving you gold right here, right now. A lot of people pay for this information, and I'm giving it to you for free. So all I ask you to do is to share my site, support me on the internet, share my blogs. The more support you give me, the more value I will bring to you for free. Or if you don't support me, then I might start charging you. I'm just kidding. But my goal is to see you succeed. So that's my main goal. I'm just asking you to support me a little bit here. Come on. Anyways, so as you can see, you can buy solo ads in here from these free solo ad sites, and then you can sell your free email every week. And it's a simple form that you filled up, subject, URL, your message. Some of them will let you have a link right here. Some of them will not. Some of them will let you have a lot of these options to format your message. Some of them will not. And then over here, once you get everything right over here, once you fill that out, you gotta use just read over here. You can email up to 500 extra members by using the credit. So you want to always take advantage of that, and if you have 500 credits, then use that. Right now I have 69,000. No, yeah, I have like half a million points. That's pretty good. So that basically that's what you do. And then once you're done here, go to the next one, and then the next one, the next one, the next one, until you are done. By the end of the day, you are going to have leads, and the leads will come for the next 1 to 2 days, depending on the free solo ad side, and how active it is and stuff like that. So you are going to get results with this. So it's very important that you learn every part of it, though. All right, it's very important for you to understand everything that I'm saying. You need to work on two things along with this: your copywriting skills for your email swipe and your capture page, the conversion of your capture page, your squeeze page, or whatever you want to call it. You need to work on the conversion for that. All right, if you want to get the best results with free solo ads or any solo ads, in general. So that's it. That's all I wanted to teach you in this video. As you can see, this method is very powerful, what I just talked to you about. So go ahead and take as much action as you can after this, and let me know how it goes. All right, I want to hear from you. I want to see if this is working for you. So if it's not, maybe I need to make another video taking you even talking to you with even more details, and maybe showing you exactly how I do it live. You know, you can see me here actually email, you know, use all of these sites and email, use all of them, you know, and show you exactly how I do it in one video. Basically what I do, if you have these questions, all right, let me talk about the questions that you might have. You might ask right now, okay, do I send the same email swipe to every one of them? I mean, yeah, I will say yes, you know, but if you want to give me more results, you know, I would send different emails. You know, I will write like different emails and then put them in a text file, you know, in a WordPad or Microsoft Word. Put them in, have them open, and just go to each one of this, and you know, use 2 or 3 email swipes. You know, if you want to do a test and see which email swipe converts better, you know, I recommend you to do that, so you can have the best results. You know, do 1 to 3 email swipes, you know, but I usually do only 1 email swipe. You know, I work really hard on my copywriting skills, and then I only do 1. I write it the way I want it, and then, you know, another thing that you need to also, you know, really work on is on the titles of your email, because this is what is going to make somebody open the email. So you need to work on that a lot. So make sure you work on the subject, and you learn how to come up with eye-grabbing subjects, you know, to come up with the best titles to make people open the email. All right, but there are a couple of things that you cannot do here, and they always make sure that they tell you. So here you can see all of the titles that you are not allowed to use, you know. So make sure you go through all of this. All right, so you don't come up with a title that is going to be rejected by this free solo ad site, but you can still, you know, just find the best title for the email. All right, and then write the email, and then copy the email and open a Microsoft Word, you know, open Microsoft Word or WordPad, and then paste the email there. You know, paste the title, and then paste the email, and then have that open, and then go through every single one of these sites, and then basically you copy and paste. You know, copy the email, copy the title, paste it here, copy the email, paste it here, copy the URL where you want the visitors to go to, and then paste it here, and then that's it. You know, send email, and then go to the next one, then go to the next one, and the next one, and then just it's basically rinse and repeat. All right, so that is it. So I hope you have learned everything that you need to know about getting results with free solo ads. All right, so take massive action with this. You know, give this at least 3 months. Do it for 3 months every week. Work